This video, we're going to talk about multiplication of whole numbers. These problems are going to be like those in section 1.6, number 5, 19, 15, 23, I believe that is, 35. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do some multiplication. The first problem here uses a property of multiplication, which is 9 times 0 times 5. Anytime that I multiply by 0, the answer is 0 here. So we could have multiplied 9 times 0 to get 0, and then 0 times 5 would be 0. We can do it in 2 steps if we would like to, like that. Remember also that you have a special multiplication property that anything times 1 is itself. And that the order of multiplication does not matter. It's also another important property to remember. All right. Let's look at this one, 635 times 6. We're going to stack that vertically. This is our example of multiplying by a one-digit number. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 36 plus 2 is 38. Let's multiply by a one-digit number vertically now. Notice if it was horizontal, I'm going to switch it to vertical. 4 times 9 is 36. 20 plus 3 is 23. Now let's multiply by some two-digit numbers. 547 times 76. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Cross out these carries that I made in the first round. I'm going to slide over to the 10 spot, so I'm going to put a 0 in the 1 spot. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 is 32. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 3 is 38. We're going to add. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we want 46 times 57. So we're going to write that vertically. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 4 is 32. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. I'm going to put a 0 in the 1 spot. Get rid of those carries. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. We add. and we get 76,722. That's it for multiplying, which we call finding the product of two whole numbers. So that's going to be an important word, product. That means to multiply. All right, next time we're going to come back and find the quotient of two whole numbers, which is going to mean that we're going to divide.